This artist creates the most adorable stuffed animal toys. First, we're going to cut out all the parts of the body into some material, and we're going to sew the sides together. We're going to shape the ears. We're going to shape the tail at the back. And the body. We're inserting a pin inside of it. I'm going to sew around it. Next, we're going to trim and shave the parts to make it the perfect fluffiness. We're creating the face, adding a little nose in the middle, 2 dots to have the perfect emplacement for the eyes. We're going to insert a thread and the eyes. And now we're going to do the same for the body, adding the little feet and legs. We're going to attach everything to the head, and we're going to stuff everything with some sawdust. Add the tail at the back. We're going to pin down the ears on the side of the face. We're going to be using some black thread to add the whiskers and add some colors around the body. Cut it down little shoes. We're sewing everything together and putting it on his feet. And we're creating different little outfits. We're gonna iron things together so it sticks. We're gonna also create a little top. We're sewing little buttons. And here's the result. So adorable.